Nell is an amazing leader for Collins School.
She's so positive, optimistic, and she has such a good rapport with the staff and students.
She makes me feel good and always being able to ask a question if I need help.
Mrs. Haack is really nice.
I've had the privilege and honor of being the principal here for 11 years, and I absolutely love the staff. I love the students.
Nell has built a culture at Collins where we truly feel like we're family. She inspires us to be better on our own, but also better together.
She goes above and beyond every day, making sure we're happy, we're comfortable. She has such a culture of respect, and it trickles down from her to us and then to our classrooms,
which then influences us to be better teachers and just want to do what's best for our kids.
Collins is a great place. I just have the privilege of working here and working with the amazing staff here to support them in everything that they do to really carry out the vision that we create together, that is serving the students the very best that we can and serving our parents and supporting the staff.
Our happiness, our well-being is just as important to her. Then we bring that to our students, and then they bring that to each other and their families. And then it's not just like the Collins, but it's like the whole community around Collins that's affected with all the great things that Nell does.
Her open door policy makes it really easy to have her problem solve at any given moment, listen at any given moment, and just be there to support anybody whenever they need her. And I feel like that's been a really big part of the heart of Collins.
The best part of my day is just walking through classrooms and being greeted with hugs and smiles and knowing that students feel comfortable, safe, and loved when they are here at Collins.
If there's something going on in school, they'll always pull you out and talk to you to see if you're okay.
What inspires me is watching students grow. I've had the luxury of being at Collins for several years. So I've known students here from when they were 5 to when they're 12. So incredibly proud of the growth that the staff here has enabled every single student that walks through our doors, not only just academically, but as community members, as amazing citizens, and then to see the pride in their own faces.
She takes the time to get to know the kids by name and need. The kids will give her hugs, say hi to her, and she's always, sending emails to parents with positive things. So everybody feels that sense of community, belonging, and happiness.
Parents send us their very best every single day. And we need to accept that honor and accept that privilege in order to make sure we're serving them the best way that we can.
She's really invested in our community. She's invested in us as individuals. She's invested in this building.
I do believe that culture is what makes it such a great place. I'm truly honored. When I was presented with the award and a bunch of staff were in the gym and there were kids in the gym, I was truly overwhelmed with just feeling so honored to be recognized in such a way. It's not just an honor for me. I think it really speaks volumes of the school and what we've built together.
I think we're so blessed to have her here. I think she goes above and beyond every day.
She has led us through some amazing things, some very difficult things, and I really think she exemplifies everything you would want in a leader.
I couldn't be happier to be here and be with her.
And she is more than deserving of this award.
She's funny and she makes me happy.